ePIN module of Hybrid MLM. ePIN modules allows the admin to generate ePIN that can be used for the transaction and also allows the users to purchase and manage this ePIN. ePIN can be used for online registration, online purchase, signing up new members, etc. To use this ePIN management module, first we need to install this. For this, let's go to the settings of the admin side. Then select the module option. After selecting the module option, you can able to see the general pool. Then select the ePIN management module from the general pool. Here you can able to see this module is already activated. If you need to deactivate, you can click the deactivate button and can be deactivated or can be uninstalled by clicking this uninstall button. To configure this ePIN management, go to the settings of the ePIN management module and you can configure the ePIN details here. Actually, ePIN is a voucher with random code and it has many benefits. In this ePIN configuration page, you can able to see the amount setting option. There are two options. One is a dynamic option and one is the fixed option. If it set to fixed option, you can enter a fixed amount for the ePIN. If it's set to dynamic, here the ePIN can be choose by the customers with the amount they have. Next option is the minimum amount option. If this minimum amount is enabled, the admin can set a minimum amount for the ePIN. Same like the minimum amount, there is a maximum amount option too. If this maximum amount option is enabled, the admin can set a maximum amount for the voucher. So the voucher amount cannot able to lead the maximum amount. Next option is the length option. Here the length of the ePIN can be set. There is another option that is the ePIN prefix setting option. By enabling this ePIN prefix, the admin can give a prefix to that ePIN. After filling all this, click the save button. Then this configuration will be get saved. Then let's go to the ePIN management dashboard of admin side. This is the ePIN management dashboard for the admin side. Here you can able to see the total number of ePIN and the total amount in those ePINs. This is the total number of ePIN and this is the total amount in those ePINs. Next one is the available ePIN number. Here you can able to see the number of available ePIN and the amount in those available ePINs. Next one is the inactive ePIN. Here you can able to see the number of inactive ePINs and the amount in those ePINs. Then here you can able to see the manage ePIN option. In this manage ePIN section, you can able to see that ePIN details with their serial numbers, key, amount, balance, username, valid from date, valid up to date, created date of that ePIN, etc. There is another column with the name action. Here the admin can edit the ePIN. Simply click the edit button, then there will be appear a edit option here. You can able to see the key here, and if the admin need to change the amount of the ePIN, he can change it from here. And valid from date and valid up to date also can be edited or updated. If admin need to disable this valid up to date, just click the disable button, then this valid up to date will be disabled. The another option is the assign user option. This is one of the main privilege of the admin, that admin can assign this ePIN to a single user. That particular user can only use this ePIN. If admin need to enable this transferable feature, he can enable by just clicking this button. So by enabling this transferable option, the other people can or other users can use this ePIN for their purchase. Next option or next feature is that the reusable option. By allowing this reusable option, users can use this ePIN for multiple purchase and its value will be decreased from each purchase. By updating all this, click the update button, then these details will be get updated. And on the top section you can able to see that a filter option. This epin details can be filtered according to the date, valid up to date, and user by the username or the price range and status of the epin. This is all about the manage epin section in the epin management. Next menu is the create epin option. Here, the admin can create a single ePIN or a multiple ePIN. The only difference between the single ePIN creation and multiple ePIN creation is that in the multiple ePIN creation, the quantity of the ePIN should be given. That is the only difference between the single ePIN and the multiple ePIN. So, by creating ePIN, the admin can give a key here and amount, valid from date, valid up to date, and if admin need to assign this ePIN to a particular user, he can assign it from here. And the special features like transferable and reusable can be enabled or disabled here. For an example, I am creating an ePIN and assigning this ePIN to a particular user here and clicking this continue button. After clicking the continue button, it will regenerate it to the payment option. Here you can able to see the free pay gateway is only open. So I'm clicking this proceed button. See, here you can able to see that the ePIN is generated with the key that we given here. And here you can able to see the amount in that ePIN or that voucher. This is all about the create ePIN option. Next one is the purchase details menu. Here you can see the purchase details of each ePIN with their serial number, date of purchase, amount, key, user, and what payment type they used to pay for that ePIN. And these details also can be filtered according to the date from date to by the username and the price range of that ePIN. Next one is the transaction option. Here you can able to see the history of the ePIN in case of reusable ePIN can be seen here. If we enter a ePIN that allows the reusable option, then their history will be displayed here. This is the ePIN management module for the admin side. Let's check how it works on the user side. For this, let's log into the user side of Hybrid MLM. This is the ePIN management dashboard for the user side. Same like the admin side, here you can able to see that the number of ePINs that allocated to the user and the amount, total amount in those ePINs, and what are the available ePINs and the total amount in that available ePINs, a number of inactive ePINs with the corresponding amounts on that ePINs. Here you can able to see a ePIN list with serial number, amount, balance, and the user, valid from date, valid up to date, and the created date of that ePIN. These all are the ePINs that allocated to the user. Here the ePIN details can be filtered according to the date, valid up to date, price range, status, etc. Next option is the purchase ePIN option. Here, the user can purchase single ePIN or multiple ePIN. The only difference between the single ePIN purchase and multiple ePIN purchase is that in multiple ePIN purchase, the user need to give the quantity of the ePIN they need. On the key section, the user can give a key or a customize a key here. And on the amount section, he can purchase it with an amount. Valid from date and valid up to date also can be customized for the user side. Same like the admin side, user also have the privilege to allow the transferable and reusable option. After giving all these details, click the continue button. After clicking the continue button, it will be redirected to a page like this. And I'm clicking the proceed button. Here you can able to see the ePIN with the key we given is generated. This is the purchase ePIN section for the user side. Next one is the transaction section. Same like the admin side, in this transaction section, the history of the ePIN can be seen in the case of reusable ePIN. The main thing is that the ePIN management module can be used in the time of registration or upgrading a package, etc. So this is all about the ePIN management module of Hybrid MLM.